Hey y'all, hey, so let's do some old school waves with a new school twist. Okay, so she has been relaxed, shampooed, conditioned, all of that good stuff. And when I say 90s with the modern twist, if that's what I said, or old school waves, I think I said old school waves. Because before we would do like a little short part and then kind of have the waves going in the curve, but we're not going to do that. We're going to give the long part today. And I'm going to be using two combs, but y'all know I got to shout out Main Mint Foam. And I'm going to be using some Queen Helene styling gel. Um, I used to back in the days, I used to just use straight Queen Helene, and maybe like a little bit of foam. But, yeah, again, we're going to give it a modern day twist. And this gel I got from my local beauty supply store. I did not see it on Amazon. I really couldn't find a good link because the people online are like triple charging for it. But if you in your local beauty supply store, you just grab you some, and the pink or the yellow works fine. The yellow, it gets a little harder than the pink, so I prefer the pink, but it's up to you. So with doing waves like the old way, there was like a scoot and a push. If that's the best way I can explain it. Like now we kind of do the waves like a little flatter, and you put your comb right where you want the ridge of the next wave to start, if I can explain that. And instead of doing like a C shape like we were taught the modern way, you're literally doing S's. And it took me a minute because I had got so used to doing it the other way that it really does makes a difference when you're giving it a certain look. She said she's working out now. She wanted harder waves, but I don't like the word hard. So we're going to give her firmer waves. And I feel like when you do them this way with the comb and do them smaller, they last much, much longer than doing them the other way. And I love to use Maine Mint Foam or Maine Coconut Foam because it's just really light. It has a nice firm hold, but when you comb it, it combs out soft. It doesn't flake. And it's just the bomb. Like, it's the bomb, y'all. Trust me, it's the bomb. Me twice. So again, when you see me do the waves, you'll see me do like S shape, and I'm really going to the side and then scooting. And so that the waves do kind of land on her face, I want to slide it out, like exaggerate it a little bit. But yeah. Now I ain't gonna lie, y'all. My fingers had locked up on me from holding these combs, and I got a little scared because they was like locked, like I couldn't get them to move. Which is another reason why it's time for me to get out the salon. But um when the Lord release me, I will be out of here, y'all. Okay. But here's a better view where you can see I'm literally using my comb as the base where I want the base of the wave to be. And you see it's like a S. And you literally slide it over and then push up a little bit. That's the best way I can explain to y'all. TDMS. And I didn't speed it up just so people can kind of see. I am going to speed it up a little bit towards the end, but just so y'all can get like a real-time view of how this works. And I honestly think if you're starting out, this may be an easier way. But again, this was like the first way I learned. So I don't know. Try different ways and see what works for you. just going to spray some spritz on here. This you can find on Amazon. I will link it in the description box below. And I love it. I actually saw a video where somebody was doing some rakes with these, so I will be trying that out as well. But you know what to do. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to get notified, and I'll see you guys again for the next video.